If you want to change the home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open Settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down to Wallpaper and Style, and if you want to change the wallpaper only for the home screen, then you can, for example, tap on the home screen, and then we can tap on Wallpapers in the top left corner. Now we can choose the wallpaper that we wish to set, so you can use any of these options, or you can choose a photo or image from your gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And in some cases you can also zoom in and zoom out using the pinching gesture. You can change the position of the wallpaper and adjust it. And in some cases we also have additional options available below the preview over here. In this case, since this is the default wallpaper, one of the default wallpapers, and we don't have these options unfortunately. But once you are done with changes, tap on the done in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.